This is the Oriental Hotel on Tokyo Bay. There's one stop down from Tokyo Disneyland. About half an hour out of Tokyo itself, so we're here for the next few days. So as you walk into the room, obviously we've got a key card you need to put in. This is room 1135 on the 11th floor. We're in a nice corner room. You have a little, very small bathroom, but everything you need. So we have a vanity unit with spare towels, the lead toothbrushes and hand lotion, but you can get as much as you want downstairs as well, free for all. Shower gels and anything else you might need, pyjamas, children's pyjamas. They're doing nappies for babies, all sorts. And we have a shower which is enclosed, and it's a red shower with a second head as well. So we've only just arrived, so we'll see what that's like. And then we have the famous Japanese toilet, which is going to be an experience. I'm sure if you've not seen them before, the pictures tell 1,000 words. What does what? It's just a power that might be rather interesting if you want to use it as well. And then the famous heated toilet seat. It does come with toilet roll. I believe that a lot in Japan don't, but this does. They've left us some slippers. There's a full length mirror and some hooks. That is the only area to hang clothes up. So we've got 6 hooks. That's it. Humidifier. And I believe that is a foot massage. Should be interesting after days in the parks or days walking around Tokyo. We have a huge TV. I'm not sure what channels are going to be on there that we can understand, but I'm sure we'll have a laugh. This is one of the remodeled rooms. So a nice headboard and nice blue in colour. There are USBs in there in that little area by the side of each bed. It's like 2 singles pushed together. 2 big singles or 2 very small doubles pushed together. And then we have air conditioning unit. It's a bit high at the moment, we need to turn that down. Just literally arrived, so there is a kettle. I believe there's coffee downstairs, which we will be using on top of what they've already left us. Nice information unit. Or a letter saying what's included. They do leave your pyjamas, but and a dressing gown as well. Again, there's a little fridge down there, but that's the only storage as well. But this is a big hotel compared to Japan standards. We are going into Tokyo next week, and it's half the size of this room. And then we have one little seat and a table. They left us some nice chocolates and some water. Wi-Fi in the hotel is really quick, free, and downstairs there's 2 restaurants and a bar area as well, which we're just going to go and have a walk around now, but we only just arrived on 25 hours of travelling, but really nice. Certainly first impression is really good. And this is the Oriental Hotel, Tokyo Bay. It's on the mainline train station into Tokyo, sorry. And hopefully we're going to have a nice week here.